Welcome to Reading with Dad. Here Comes Santa Cat by Deborah Underwood and Claudia Rueda. Hey, Santa, have you seen Cat? Cat, I didn't even recognize you. Why are you dressed like Santa? So you can give yourself a present? Oh, Cat, Santa will bring you a present, won't he? No, why not? Ah, I see your problem. But are you sure you want to be Santa? Santa has to climb down chimneys. Can you do that? Well, maybe you'll get the hang of it. But Cat, Santa has magic reindeer. How will you fly? A jetpack? Do you even know how to use a whoosh? Ouch. Cat, this is silly. Besides, Santa doesn't give gifts to himself. He gives them to other people. Well, I'm sorry, but that's just the way it is. Instead of being Santa, why don't you just try being nice? You're worried it's too late? It's never too late. What's a nice thing you could do? Go Christmas caroling? Great.
Yo, 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 yo,
Cat,
yo.
maybe something else. You're going to give presents to children? That's wonderful. What happened? The children didn't want the presents? What were you giving them? Ah, any other ideas? Maybe ones that don't involve fish? Yes, it would be very nice if you helped decorate the tree in the town square. Good going, Cat. Have fun. Crash! Wow. Oh, Cat, I'm sure Santa is glad you tried. I am too. In fact, I have a present for you myself. 2 cans of your favorite fancy cat food. Well, my goodness, who's this?
Meow.
I wonder what that poor kitten wants, Cat. Any ideas? Cat, do you realize what just happened? You did something nice.
Jingle, jingle, jingle,
Hey,
jingle,
do you
jingle,
hear
jingle.
that? Look, it's Santa, and he does have a present for you. Wow, an official Santa's helper suit. Cat, where are you going? You have a present for Santa? Nice, Cat. Very nice. Merry Christmas. The end.